What is up, guys? Today we have a comparison of the cameras for GoPro and iPhone 12 Pro Max, which actually is the best option to record the videos with if you don't want to spend a huge budget on it on 2024 and you need some universal camera such as iPhone 12 Pro Max, or just like a GoPro camera, which is also kind of universal but still limited to some function, to its angle and to its charger and capacity. Alright, so let's compare them. Firstly, let's start from the size. As you see, the size is quite different. iPhone and GoPro both waterproof, but iPhone is up to 1.5 meters and 30 minutes, and GoPro up to 10 meters without any cases. And that's quite good actually. For both of them you can record in a pool or during some activities like water activities. Actually, that's quite nice to have such features as a waterproof. Also, the battery life will be better on iPhone even for recording the videos on GoPro, but in terms of usability during some extreme sports, of course GoPro will be better option just based on its size. But let's turn on the camera and test it out. Here we have, so mainly for video, for photos, of course iPhone will be better as the GoPro is not a camera for photos. So let's test it out. We have 0.5 inch, so wide angle. You've got a regular one and the zoom one. And let's turn on the GoPro here. For GoPro you also have some options, but it will be all based on the zoom, not optical, but the zoom built in GoPro. Okay, let's check it out, what kind of angle we've got here. Okay, let's for now super view. So lens, you have hyper view here. Is the biggest one, is 12 millimeters, which is really huge, and you see it here, 12 millimeters, even like this. So that's how it looks like, and that's how looks like the angle of the video for iPhone. So I guess it's around 14 millimeters here, maybe 15 even. It's not, maybe 14, yeah, it's not that wide comparing to 12 millimeters here on a GoPro. Then we have hyper view. We have also options available such as super view 16 millimeters, wide 16 to 34. Then we have okay, linear lock is not interesting, and linear 1939. I guess its zoom is also available. The regular angle is super view or the wide one, but super view I think it's more preferable, 16 millimeters for action recording. So let's put it here. Let's change to actually 30 frames per second, but also look at the range of available. You can have, okay, on super view you cannot have 240 on 4K, but you can have on a wide one. Actually, the amount of setups, super view, okay, ultra slow motion is also available here. That also can be some sort of killer features available for the GoPro only. As you see, battery is really melting, so let's set a 4K. Let's change to 30 frames per second, the regular one. And let's go back, it's stuck a bit here. We have super view. Okay, so that's how it is, 16% left of the battery. And for iPhone, for such configuration, you have a very similar view actually, but distortion is much bigger on the GoPro. So I will make several trial video for you in different modes, and after this we can easily compare it and to have some results. Test of the video, 4K, iPhone 12 Pro Max here, super wide angle. Now regular one, stabilization is much better, and the zoom one. The sound test, 1, 2, 3. Now the test of GoPro, super view 4K in the media mode, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Just jogging a bit. Stabilization looks much smoother here. Sound test, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Now the wide view test. GoPro, again hyper smooth is on a regular mode. Jog a bit, shake the camera. Again, stabilization is much better than iPhone, at least seems like on the picture. So that's how it looks like. Now it's 4K GoPro linear test. So around 24 millimeters. Stabilization, left, right, that's how it looks like. Alright, so you just saw the video in different configurations. Of course, the GoPro is more wider angle. You have some maybe better quality sound because I'm using this additional mode for GoPro. But in general, the quality is quite comparable. Of course, the iPhone is more universal camera. It has autofocus here. You can change the zoom distance, you can have the wide angle, regular angle, or super wide angle, or zoom. Even here on GoPro, it's mainly for fixed angle here. You can of course adjust it, but the quality also will be different. So basically it depends on your preferences, what kind of camera you need. You can have a GoPro, which I recommend to buy it only in case you know where you're going to use it. So if you're going to have some active sports events, or you just need a second camera that will be always supporting you while you're recording some backstage video, GoPro is really good option. For more universal camera, iPhone 12 Pro Max is still a good option for its price. The price of them on a used market, it's very comparable. So the iPhone price around $500, the GoPro price around $300. So it's pretty comparable here from this perspective. Basically, that's pretty much it. In case you still have some questions regarding both of the phone or camera, both of the cameras, or you want some additional tests, please leave in the comments below, put a thumbs up, and see you next time.